Hello, my friends. This is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome back to my art studio. Today we're going to be doing a beautiful bloom. I did a test with the colors on a little index card. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see if I can get you up closer. Beautiful. We have Indian Yellow by Liquitex, Amsterdam Quin Rose, Liquitex Deep Violet, and Liquitex Fluorescent Blue. Beautiful colors. This is the order we're going to put down the puddles. So how is everyone today? My word to you today is, today, be kind to yourself. Give yourself some extra love. Okay? Sometimes we just need to hear that because sometimes we're just hard on ourselves and we just need to give ourselves some love. So let's get into this. The pillow paint I'm using today is Glidden's Essentials, and it is white. I did buy the new Glidden's PPG, but I haven't tried it out yet. I'm using the last of this. This seems a little bit thick, but okay. Let's make a beautiful bloom. It's not going to be in a garden today, no leaves, but I just want to try out this color palette. It's really pretty. Okay, Indian Yellow. Here we go. Now I do want some negative space because I want to make a flower, but pretty. That was the first was the Indian Yellow. This was the Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose. I just say Quin. Next is Liquitex Deep Violet. And, yeah, I think that's all. And Liquitex Fluorescent Blue is next. Okay, Black Oxide Amsterdam Cell Activator. All right, here we go. Well, that turned out a lot different than this one. A lot more yellow. I didn't quite want so much more yellow, but maybe the other colors when we spin it out. Otherwise, I'll have to redo it. Maybe it'll come through. So let's just kind of do make some petals. It's pretty. I think I'm gonna blow this out just a little further. And if I just gently want to blow something just a little bit, I find that this works the best because it's just very gentle. Okay. You can also make it smaller. I blow it against the colors. Okay, I think that's gonna be pretty. All right, let me torch and see where did I put my torch. Doot, 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 doot. Before I spit it out, make sure there's no bubbles there. All right, let me scoot it over just a little. Here we go. Oh, I see a few things that have popped up. I want to get those first before I spin it out. It's an air bubble. Oh, yeah, I know what I forgot to do. Do I want to do it? I usually kind of do this. Maybe I will, just a little bit. Ah, kind of messed that one up a little. Let's see if I can fix that. Okay, there, that's good. You can always try fixing what you mess up. Where do I do it here? This one's a little bit. So I know this will kind of get really big. So I don't want it, I want them kind of be even. Did I don't know if that helped at all. Maybe I'll just do that through here. No, I don't like that. There. All right. That's good. Now, if it's your painting, you can be as picky as you want, right? You bet. Okay, let's do this. Paint bottle's getting paint all over them, so I'll spread it out a little bit, see how it goes. It's pretty. Yeah, very pretty. Let's scoot it over just a little bit. This would probably make a pretty side bloom also. So pretty. See, I do see that one little dot. I'm gonna have to, a couple of them, try to get rid of. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Wow. Which way do I like it? I'm not sure. Okay, my friends, I see I have some in the middle. I have some peacock cells going on there. And I do think I will do this again. Maybe with less yellow, more of the other colors. I'm not sure. But we'll see. Okay, my friends, let me get you down for a close-up. I wish you God's blessing, always. And if you like this kind of art, then go ahead and give me a follow and maybe a like. And I'll give you lots more of this. Pretty watercolors going on inside here. Let me get you down for even a closer look.